Welcome to video lecture of Architecture LPU. My name is Mustafizur Rahman. Today's lecture is Impact of Cultural Heritage Tourism. Cultural and heritage tourism is the visits by persons from outside the host community motivated wholly or in part by an interest. The interest can be in historical, artistic, scientific, region, group or institutions. The United Nations World Tourism Organization estimates that internationally there were just 25 million tourist arrivals in 1950. 68 years later, its number has increased to 1.4 billion international arrival per year. This is 56-fold increase. Too many people want to travel. There are just too many people thronging popular destinations. 30 million visitors a year visit Barcelona. Population of Barcelona is 1.6 million. 20 million visitors visit Venice and population of Venice is 50,000 only. Influx of tourism, impact on environment, culture and economy of the city. It is often maintained that tourism exerts huge load on nature by rapidly changing landscape due to the construction of large hotel, camping, sports base, parking lots and roads, including those built in the heritage territories. Mass tourism imposes threats to local resources. It can be on water, food, energy, spaces, etc. The more people are in one place, the more waste is accumulated. First of all, it's plastic waste such as water bottles, takeaways, containers, different packaging, plastic bags, etc. The excessive vehicular activities can be seen during peak tourist seasons. Parking and traffic jams are major issues in many tourist destinations. This causes noise pollution and air pollution also. Tourism impact on local culture. Very often local people start copying the lifestyle of tourists. They dress up as tourists. They talk and behave like them, which may result in the loss of native customs and traditions. We all know that tourist areas tend to be more expensive than in other places. While it's good for the business owners, this can be negatively affect the locals. During the high tourist season, the price of essential goods rises, making them less affordable for the locals. Sometimes tourists damage historical monuments or natural landmarks. Some of them do it by accident, but there is also quite a big percentage of people who do such acts of vandalism on purpose. To understand the impact of tourism, let's talk about San Sebastian Old Town in Spain. Donostia San Sebastian was built around its coastline, with the old town, the historic city center, in the middle. This area is packed with heritage. It is very small and it has very high level of tourism activity. The growth of tourism activity has direct repercussion on the levels of use of public spaces of tourist attractions. Tourist specialization of business have increased and occupied almost all the ground level in Old Town and its surrounding. The type of businesses are also in the increasing trend. Posters, display unit and various sign of global products can be seen in the area. The Old Town, often a major part of accommodation for tourists. The ground floors of all these buildings are occupied by shops, bars, restaurants. The remaining floors are for residential uses alongside the various forms of tourism accommodation. Many native impact identified by neighborhood groups of Old Town of this area. First issue was rising land prices and consequent eviction of local residents. Growth in number of traders moving into the neighborhood, commercial homogenization and disappearance of traditional local traders. There is a rise in the unstable and uncertain employment in hospitality industry. Second issue was increase in noise and excessive overcrowding in some streets. Number of buildings increasing along the coast and rise of vehicular traffic in the city. Third issue was the commercialization of culture in the form of souvenir and experiences, and loss of local language on the streets, loss of typical food and drinks can be witnessed in the old town. It is important to protect cultural heritage from impact of tourism. Therefore, tourism planning and development is necessary. In the next video, we shall discuss about this topic in detail.